My name is David Hearn, and I'm a photographer. I delved into a commercial world. I did things like the James Bond films. I photographed the Beatles. I became friendly with and photographed Jane Fonda for the rest of my life. But they were a minor part, and the things that I enjoyed most were trying to go to a place for a long period of time and to try to get the essence of what that country or place was. One of the places where I spent deliberately 1/3 of my life was Wales. I wanted to put together the biggest group of pictures that had ever been shot on Wales that were honest and accurate, non-fiction pictures. People in 100 years' time could say that's what it looked like. Are we put on this earth for a reason? Is there any purpose? The only purpose I could think of is that when I do something, I'm going to do it as well as it's possible to do it. And so I'm trying to tell the kids that I meet, there's a fun job to be had there. And if you could get them to be excited about something, maybe that sparks them to suddenly say, that would be a fun thing to do. And photography is easy. All you do is walk around with a camera.